Hi, I'm Gunnar. Have you ever thought about what kind of career you would like to have when you grow up? Here in Oklahoma, aerospace and aviation is a booming industry. By the time you're ready to enter the workforce, there will be thousands of aerospace and aviation jobs waiting for people just like you. It's not too early to start thinking about your career. I know many of you have probably heard about drones. Maybe you've even seen one. But can you imagine operating a drone on a secret mission for the military? Or even using a drone to film scenes for a big movie? It's possible with what's happening in the world of drones today. So think about what it would be like to have a cool job in aerospace and aviation. The future is yours, and the sky's the limit.
The exciting thing about the research that we're doing is it lays the foundation for quite literally everything that goes forward in the future. My name is Jamie Jacob. I'm the John Hendricks Chair and Professor of Aerospace Engineering at the School of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering at Oklahoma State University. The Unmanned Systems Research Institute is a lab that was formed in 2015 to facilitate autonomous systems research across the entire campus of OSU, as well as help industry throughout the state of Oklahoma. The ones that I get really excited about are particularly the projects that we work on with NASA.
My name is Emily Huff. I'm a graduate research assistant. I am working on a NASA Peace Star project, which I'm the team lead for, which is putting solar balloons up into the air for Venus research. This is kind of just a partnership with NASA. They saw that we've been doing this solar balloon work through Alexis. She started doing the solar balloons here at Oklahoma State, and they're working on Venus research where they want to send balloons to study the atmosphere.
My research focuses on different ways we can design the balloons, what materials to use, and designing a couple different instruments to try and make it safer and more efficient to fly these balloons. So when I was in middle school, I got my first introduction to more of the science side of it by actually going to a summer camp. My high school had a STEM engagement summer camp, and that was actually all about biology. So not even engineering yet, but just kind of an intro into science. And so that was where I kind of first discovered my passion.
Some of our best students are the ones that we get from the pre-engineering academies at Career Tech. They're already prepared with their math and science electives, so that way they're able to hit the ground running. They also already have those hands-on skills that the pre-engineering academy at the Career Techs have provided them, so that way they know how to work with electronics, and some of them have even built and flown aircraft already. When other states come and visit and they see what we have in the Career Tech system, they're really jealous. It's one of those hidden gems that we have here in Oklahoma.
Mentors in this field, especially as a young person, are absolutely critical. I've thought a lot about where I've gotten to, and I can trace almost all of it back to this moment during my sophomore year where Dr. Jacob asked me to be the team lead of this NASA challenge. And when he asked me, I thought it was absolutely crazy. I'm not qualified to do this. I'm not even the same major as anyone else, but having someone see confidence in you is world-changing.
For any of you that are curious about the world around you, and it doesn't matter if it's how a rocket flies or how a car drives, if you want to do that with the rest of your life, that not only gives you something exciting to do, but also helps the rest of the world, listen to your mom. Right?